It is time for your heart space to hold more of your true nature. It is time for humanity to become Buddha, awakened. There is a big difference between awakening and awakened. You all have Buddha nature, true nature. Let it arise within your heart space. Let it arise powerfully, majestically, expansively. So many energies supporting you in your heart's expansion, in the awakening of you to become true nature in the body as you walk on this planet now, in this incarnation. Receive this, allow this to whatever level is comfortable, and then we ask you to go beyond your comfort zone, to go beyond everything you have ever known into that space of the unknown, into that space of your heart which exists and has been waiting for you to experience it, to acknowledge it. Go there now.